Welcome to the MSC Divina. This is a room tour of a premium balcony 11110.
Hello! Welcome to our room for the 3-day weekend.
As you can see, it is a balcony, so let's check that out first. This one just has the push locks. You unlock it. You go out. We're on deck 11. Once you get out on the balcony, this is your view. You can see the bump, all the lifeboats. But definitely an open sight to the ocean. We both got a chair and we got a little table. Perfect for 2 people. The room has a couch. I assume this comes out for a 3rd person if needed, but we're not going to test it. Coffee table. Nice desk area. You got 2 sliding drawers with a hairdryer in one. This is the mini fridge. They do have this fully stocked. This stuff is not free. You have to pay for that, so ask your room steward to take that out for you. We got a nice little TV, mirror. This is a connecting room. We don't know the neighbors, so we're going to leave that door locked. Nice king bed. 2 small drawers over there. One on this side as well. Okay, let's take a look at the closet. 2 drawers, a safe. Looks like 6 pull-out drawers, 2 shelves. And then there is the closet to hang all of your clothes. Plenty of hangers. This cabin has muster station E. It's on deck 6. You must have this inserted into your room for lights or your room card, one or the other. On the bathroom. Pretty nice bathroom. You do have the shower pod. 2 shelves. Got the handless shower. With a handheld shower, I'm sorry. They have shampoo provided. Towels are out here. And then as far as the sink and everything goes, there's the sink. Plenty of mirrors. 3 shelves. So this is a very nice room. Let's see the power solutions. Does not appear like the lamps have any power on them. This is what you got on the desk. You got 2 220s, 2 110s. I don't see any USBs or anything. So definitely bring your approved multi-plug solutions. We will link ours in our description of this video. Check them out. This is Premium Balcony 11110 on the MSC Divina.